What are QR codes and how can you use them to streamline your operations? First, QR codes are just a code that you can use any phone camera on your iPhone, your Android to scan, and it contains a link, a URL. And that link can do many things. It can open a website, or it can open an app on your phone straight on a specific page. Now, how is that possibly related to equipment management? Well, if you've got folks in the field, like mechanics, operators, that you want them to carry out certain tasks, you have two ways of getting them to do it. They can either just open the app, navigate to the right page, enter some information, or using a QR code, they can go straight to the place you want them to go to. Let's give a concrete example how to use QR codes in equipment management. You want your operators to inspect their equipment every morning, but sometimes the operators might enter the wrong equipment number. For example, maybe they enter EX301 instead of EX302 for their excavator. And then they end up reporting the wrong things on the wrong asset. Another example would be when they report time cards on machines and so on. So an easy way to solve it will be to put a QR code on the machine that your operators and the field crew can simply scan, and there will be no confusion. Let's see how that would work. In systems like Clue, you can very simply generate a QR code for the machine, and you can see it looks like something you scan. As you scan it, you will immediately open the application in the exact place you want it to open. The goal of QR codes is basically to reduce errors, save time, and make the operation a bit more useful. What's the flip side? You have to print the QR code, you have to put it on the machine, and ensure it's always there. Here's a tip you might want to use with QR codes. You can print a book of QR codes, and then the operator can simply open the book and scan the right QR codes for the right operation. So for example, if they're doing a crane inspection, they will have one QR code for the regular morning inspection and a different QR code for the monthly boom inspection. One more advantage of QR codes, they are free. So if, for example, you created your own little form app on Google Forms or something like that, and you want your operators to be able to use it, it's super simple. Just go online, find any of the dozens of websites out there that can help you generate a QR code. You give it the URL, the internet address that you want the QR code to direct to, and that's it. You download the code, you print it, and you're done. I hope that was helpful explanation for how to use QR codes in equipment management.